Hello, guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are seeing two parts we have seen, right, for super image resolution. First one is I have shown you what is the super resolution process. Then in second part, that is I have given name for that, that is part 1. In that I have told you sorry okay, in that I have told you how to install the libraries, and I have told you like install these all libraries because these are needed libraries for this project. Okay, so I hope I'll consider like you have already installed these libraries. Okay, now we'll see how the code will work, or what code I have written that I will show you to work that output. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll see first what that is this part, how I have designed this, that will I'll show you first. So we'll go here. Okay, I'll consider you have already installed all the libraries. Okay, so you can see here, okay, I have used here Python GUI programming, okay, to do the design of this. For this I have used a Python GUI program. Okay, you can see here I have used a tk.tk, means tinker we can say. Okay, we have used here tinker, and this is the geometry is nothing but that is the what we can say height into width. Okay, that is geometry. Then next the color, you can give whatever the color you want. Okay, then a relief, solid, border, how it will be solid, and how much border you want, that you can design. Suppose if you know Python and if you know GI, you can easily design this, what design I have done that. Okay, then this is I have declared one variable, that is string var. Then you can see here click the browse button below to select the image file. You can see here click the browse button below to select the image file. Okay, so for that what I have used, I have used this click the browse button. Okay, file means I have written like this by using label.pack. I have used here pack. Okay, by using that I have designed like that. Instead of pack you can use place also. In that you need to define x and y axis, according to that you need to design. Okay, if you go in Python you will get all the things. Okay, then next is what here is browse. Okay, you can see here first we have done click the browse button below. Okay, next there is a browse, right? So whenever we'll click on browse, we'll select one image. Okay, and that will show here path, which image I have selected. Okay, so to browse that I have written this, and path of the selected file I have shown you here. You can see here there is a just I have written only, it will show path of the selected file, and that path will be below I have given. Okay, you can see here below I have given what path, so it will show the path. So you can see here I have designed like this, path of the selected file. So here we'll get a path, sorry, this is a path label to place. And I'll show you. Okay, so after selecting path we'll get here this path. Okay, C:user means whatever the file I have selected, that it will take there. Next what we'll do, you got now here, see path of the selected image file means this path of the selected image file, and whatever the path I am showing here, that is this path label. This I have designed for that. Here it is showing the path. Okay, then next which function I have used, see here there is a show original image. I'll show you here. You can see here there is show original image, right? Means you can I will give the link of first the project of this super image resolution. You can go with that. Suppose if you are new to this channel or if you are seeing first time this video, then you can go below in comment section. There I will mention the link of this project and you can check there. Whenever we will click on this show original image, it will show the or whatever the image we have selected here, that it will show here. That is the show original image. Okay, so here I have given show original image, and here you can see here I have used a lambda function. Okay, for what? To call a function. I have written here one function, that is show lr function, and I am passing one variable. Suppose in Python, if you are calling any function, you need to use command, and you can use lambda, or without using lambda also you can do, but I have used here lambda. Okay, so here you can see show lr. So we'll check where is the show lr. So I'll do Control F and we'll check that function that is commented. This I have shown you. See, here it is our lr, that is show low resolution image. Okay, see, as I told you, whenever we'll click on this, we'll get a low resolution image, that is this one. See, I have selected this. This is a low, that is the original low resolution image. So suppose if you go here, where it is, here see here original low resolution image, right? This only. Here also I have used a GUI only. Then we are passing a path. That path we are taking here we are passing, and here we are plotting that low resolution image. Okay, this is the code to plot the low resolution image. Okay, this code I have written for that by using figure, canvas, tk, agg I have used, and canvas function to draw that low resolution image. Okay, then you can see here I have used here close this window, and popular underscore lr destroy means what? It will destroy that window. See here there is a cross, so to do destroy we have used that function, that is destroy function. Okay, so it will close the window. Done, got. See, here also you need to take tk. Okay, because to design one more window inside window it will be. So I hope you got this. Suppose if you have any questions, then comment for that also. Okay, and here we have closed that window. This is only for particular for this window. Okay, this code is only for this. Okay, that is done. Next we'll see, this is the show low resolution image. So it is showing low resolution image. Next, after that, what we are doing, we are training a model, right? So we'll go here and we'll see here we are training a model. Means what is happening in backend, that I will show you while training a model. Okay, so here you can see command. I have called here one function, that is image under resolution. You can give any name. Okay, you can give any name, there is no any restriction, and you can pass here also you can give any name. Okay, so I am passing here variable. Okay, that will check where this image super resolution. Then so I will Control F, I will do, and will check. See, here it is image super resolution, here it is def function. If you know Python, you might be knowing what is def. To write any function in Python we use def. Okay, so I have used a def, and here I have used a sorry, see here I have used a global functions. Okay, because global means what? We can use inside a function also and outside a function also. Okay, so I have taken this. So here image path will get. So by taking that path, by taking that image, what we are doing, we are training that model. Okay, or we are training that image. See here HR image and fake image, by using that we are training. fake image means our original image. Means by using this we have done one model that I'll show you what is that model. Okay, one link I'll give in description where you will get this model. See, this is our model. Okay, this is where I have stored this model. So this included, by using this only you can train, otherwise you cannot, because it is already trained a model I have used here. So if you use this, then only you can do a super image resolution, otherwise you can't do. Okay, so this model path I have used there. Okay, this model I have used there. Where it is? This only now. See here, I am loading here this model. Okay, this is our model. So by on this model only we are doing, by using HR image and fake image, we are training that model. Okay, so whenever we it will take some time to train that model. Okay, so after that what we are doing, super image resolution, we are clicking on that. So whenever we'll click on that, we'll get one browse function, right? What we'll get? We'll get one browse that will show you. See, this is a train model. Then you see a super image resolution. Here I have used here I have used one command, means one function I have called here on that button, that is open URL. Okay, so whenever I'll go on, you can see here there is a open URL. Okay, so whenever we click on that, it will open this file. Okay, what it will do, whenever we click on that, it will open this file. This is a super image resolution. So we'll get here what we are calling. You can see here we are plotting a image, that is super image resolution image. So you can see here there is the original image, there is a low resolution image, and here is a super resolution image. So what we'll do, so here we'll get a super resoluted image. This is the path where we'll get a, because we are saving this super resoluted image, the plotting, saving that here in ESGAT D2K. Okay, so in the here our result will be that. What I have done, that only I have called here by using one function I have called here. If you use web browser.open underscore URL, it will open in web browser. So we are getting here like this. Okay, so you can see this is original image, this is the super resoluted image. Okay, so I have explained to you all the things, and I'll give that model link also where you will get, you can visit on that and you can download that model from there and you can use in your project. And you see here I have used a PSNR value also, means I'm working on this still, because here what I'm doing, I'm finding out the PSNR value between low image and high resolution image, that is in that what is the PSNR ratio, that I am finding. So I am working on that, still it is in process. So whenever it will get finished, we'll update that also. So this is the result and this is the code. Here I have written again code also, I have commented, don't see this commented code. Here I have ended the code. So once again I'll show you whole code. Okay, so these are the libraries. This commented, don't see that commented, because while doing program I have done lots of code then only I got this result. Okay, so I have commented that because it will be useful in future, so I have done like this. So I hope you got regarding this super image resolution, because we were getting lots of mails and WhatsApp like you want the part or you want the code, how this project will work. So I have shown you all the things how I have done this project. Okay, So if suppose if you have any queries regarding this project, if you're not getting anything, then please comment in comment section, okay, and let me know how I have explained this code. And if you are liking our videos, please like, share and subscribe, because if you we are giving some time to you people, we are making some time for you people, and we are doing something, then you also need to do something for us. So if you subscribe or if you like us, so it is okay for us, so do that. And if you're liking that, it will motivate us and we'll create more videos, okay. So we'll see that PSNR also, what is the difference. It will show the difference between original and low resolution image, okay, that is peak to signal noise ratio, okay, that will come after finishing that. So if you have any queries, then please comment in comment box. So I hope you got these videos and this code. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much. See you in next session. Hello, 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 hello.